today we're going to be taking this carburetor apart. We got this kind of large box to separate and put all the, like screws and pieces, like puncture them in there so that we know kind of like exactly where they'll go. We'll label it out like top, middle, bottom, the carburetor, some sort of organization skill so that we're not just losing pieces everywhere. There's probably a diagram somewhere. We have a handy dandy, well, not this part, but this part, diagram. Haven't actually looked, but we'll start taking it apart, and if need to, then we'll go get right back into it. See in here, there's all that sand and grime and whatnot, so that was probably an issue with the floats and whatnot. Pretty gross. All right, very important. This one has a little hole in it. This one doesn't, so you have to remember where we pulled that one from. So let's just remember that. Oh boy. Well, okay, here we go. Fuel comes in here. So remember that the one with the hole goes closer to the one where the fuel intake is, so. I think these should pop up after that. The little jets. Oh, what is that caught on? Oh yeah, look at that. It's kind of gross. So, oh boy, see, I don't remember which way. No, that was facing the right way. So, front, we'll label this one the front area. This is the back. So we'll put that there. Slide that one back in that one. Take this out. Pull that one off. Yeah, look at that. All that dirt. Gasket. Little pin. Came out of this one, front one. Almost, whoa. There we go. Got it. This rear one doesn't have anything, so we're okay. clean up these parts. Gonna put in this cryogenic chamber looking thing. It's kind of sick. It's got little jets going on up in here. So let's just, I'm gonna watch out for that a little bit right there. So I guess I'll put it up. See, put the jets in. Put the body in. Close it up, heater's on. Oil skimmer, put that 10. Steamy. Shit. Looks good to me. All right, time to put it back together. Pick all these up and then just
sing along, come down, settle down, I said. She ran home so straight ahead, full speed ahead.
okay, cool. We got it back in. Got the fuel hooked up. Got to put a charger on it because it hasn't been running in a while. It's gonna be kind of hard to video this with just one person, but yeah, you know, we'll see if we can start getting it running. Okay, so we got the pump going, giving it some gas right now to hopefully, let's see, we still got some gas in here. All right, thanks. All right, pump's running. So hopefully we're getting fuel. Let's see if we can, oh, it's so dirty. Well, you can kind of see it. So I'm gonna pump it. Oh, it's just flowing. Let's see. I don't know if it's supposed to do that. Oh. Yeah, I don't think it's supposed to be dumping like that. Let's see. Nope. I might have just flooded it. Oopsies. Well, definitely did something wrong. Because that's all gas. it's dripping down there. Well, I'm gonna let this air out before we just catch it all on fire. Smells good though.